Hello traders, it's ETMFX, and in this lesson, we're going to cover how to use an indicator to confirm your order block. So what I've noticed from making prior videos on discussing order block confirmation, many beginners, or let's say not profitable traders, struggle or lack confidence confirming order blocks via price action. So what I've decided is to show you a strategy that I used back when I was not profitable to help me get over the edge, which was this indicator-based strategy, confirming an order block. So what I've noticed, people are reluctant to trading indicators. And it is true, indicators are lagging behind price action, but then again, price action is lagging behind level 2 tape. So if you're against trading indicators for the simple fact that they're lagging, you should be against trading price action, because price action is lagging too, like I said, behind level 2 tape. And again, I don't use indicators anymore, but in this instant, this is great training wheels. This is something that you should use as you develop, then later on leave indicators behind and maybe stick to price action, or you can move another direction going on from there. But it's important. So to shame indicators, to be honest, it's not so smart. What you should be ashamed of is not taking the correct steps in developing as a trader and being so anti something before you're even profitable. So the indicator we're going to use in this lesson is called TDI, and the strategy we're going to use to confirm the order block is called shark fin blood in the water. So this strategy is pretty simple. So what you want is, you want a shark fin, as you can see right here. This is what we call the shark fin, our green line forming a pointy point that looks like a shark fin to occur outside of the water. So this is the water right here, this blue line. So you would want the shark fin to occur outside of the water. So when it comes back inside of the water, it crosses path with the red line, which is the blood in the water. So you want the shark fin to come close and cross path with the blood that's inside of the water. And you can see that happening a few times. So shark fin outside of the water, comes back in, blood in the water. Shark fin outside of the water, crosses path with the red line, blood in the water. And this would be your confirmation, right? Confirmation is price going outside of its volume extremes. That's what the water is. And comes back and crosses path with the median average of the price point. That would be your blood in the water. And your exit would be, it could be this yellow line, which is the baseline, which think of it as a gravity point. Something that's the sentiment of the market, which is the median, which is the middle of the past period. This could be your first exit. Your second exit could be the other side of the water. Think of it as a two-dimensional thing, and price would come from one end to the other end, one end to the other end. You can see that occurring a few times here. So you can see the shark fin closes outside of the water, comes back, crosses path with the blood inside of the water, and almost reaches the baseline. You can see it here again, shark fin outside of the water, closes back in, but this would be incorrect just for the simple fact that the blood is outside of the water. We need the blood to be, the red line to be inside of the water. So you would want basically the fin to be here, the red line to be here, and for you to cross path. So here we have a high probability setup where we have a 1 hour order block that has a significant reaction that's conceived from a prior purge to then later on built up inducement. So all the clues are here, but let's say you're a beginner and you are not confident in taking this trade yet. This is where the TDI comes in place. So now you go on your lower time frame and you look for a confirmation. When price approaches that level, we want to see what? A shark fin out of the water, comes back in and crosses with our red line, which is our blood in the water. So what is happening? As you can see, price is trying to escape the water, which means it's at its price extremes. Price came out of the water and came back in and crossed. So as you can see, price formed the fin out of the water, came back in and completely closed. So now we can confirm this as a significant order block. So now once the new candle starts. You can even wait for a retracement to a 50% prior to this candle. So let's say price opens and drops a little bit. But to keep it simple, let's just keep it here, and your stop loss goes right here. And of course, your targets are predicated on your TDI in this instant. And to be honest, like after years of trading, you wouldn't even need the TDI to enter this trade because all the clues are here for you. But in this instant, you can just use the TDI as an exit. Or of course, if you've been watching a few of my videos, all you need to do is go to your last purge and your other last peak and target the 50%. You could target the 50%, or you could target the range extremes, which would be right here. So in this example, we have a 1 hour order block. This would be our higher time frame point of interest. So let's go to the lower time frames, which would be our 15-minute. So now we're going to open our TDI indicator and see how price reacts when it approaches our high time frame point of interest. Okay. So here price approached our point of interest. And what is happening in our TDI? So price is out of our price extremes, which is our water. Price is out of it. So let's see if price comes back inside. The fin is in process of being created. Price formed the fin, but it did not close inside yet. It kind of did, but this is not convincing. Like I said, you want to have a convincing blood in the water example. In this instant, the blood, which is the red line, is merging with the water, which is the price extreme blue lines. Now it's confirmed. So once you have this confirmation that the price closed inside, you can get in a short. And where do you exit? Of course, you can exit at the median, which is the yellow line. You can exit at the end, which is your other price extremes, like I explained previously. So let's see. That's one. This could be your first TP. This could be your second TP, which if you look, it swept this liquidity. This liquidity was swept. But once you enter the trade, you don't even need to look at the chart when using this type of confirmation. You can just trade from one end to the other. So to find this indicator on TradingView, look for TDI Gold Mines by Jacob Donovan. And if you are looking for this indicator on MT4 or MT5, I'll post the link in the bio, in the description of this video, and I'll post it in my Telegram. And yeah, guys, so the reason I dropped this video, just something to keep you guys on hold until I'm done with the Super Scalper course. I'm almost done with it, and it should be on YouTube by next week. So just stay patient. I'm trying to put as much value as I can in that video and just really make it worth the wait. But I'd make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And for more information, visit my website.